Monica Sharma's family is no exception. Mrs. Sabina Verma's family is equally happy in India. She is very much interested in Indian literature and culture. She has translated Kama Sutra into German language.
I met my husband, that was 66, it was 66 January. First time we met actually when I was in school, so we were being asked to attend some function of the Indian students group. They were celebrating their National Day, 26 January. So my friend and myself, we both went. We said, oh, chalo, let's see, kya ho raha hai? Strange, new India, never heard about anything about India. Let's go and see. So we went there, and then there was a quiz. So they gave us a lot of questions about India, tick one ABC. So naturally both of us, we knew nothing, zero. How many, what is the population and what is the capital and this and that. So we said, chalo, let's tick anything. Then when we started, from behind, someone started giving us the answers. He said, this question, mark B. Next question, mark C, mark A. So my friend said, "Are ya kya kare? Mark kare ki nahi kare?" Chalo, mark kar hi liya. And it turned out I got the second prize. That was the Panchtantra book. So, and that was my husband. So after the function was over, we met, and then we met again. So this is how it started. We got married in Dresden itself because I could not come to India. It was former East Germany. So we could not, no one could leave the country. So we had a very difficult time to get the permission for getting married. So that took us about a year. I came later on. I came first, he left because he said, I want to get settled first so that I don't bring you to a strange country and maybe I don't have a job and all this. So you should come, stay comfortably in your own house. So he came back earlier and I followed him 6 months later. My husband had visited my parents quite frequently over the weekends. He was a trainee in some steel making factories in and around Dresden, my hometown. So he used to come on the weekends. So my parents got to know him very well. So then he saw he is a good man, a good human being. So when he proposed, they said, okay, for a moment, of course, I mean, any parents will say, oh my God, but they never opposed me, never. They never put any problems or created any problems, never, never.
The Yavanas of Sanskrit literature, many of whom were Hinduized, have contributed to and have enriched Hindu culture. With this historical background of Hindu culture, it would be rash to speak of racial types in Indian population. Yet, it would be equally rash to ignore the various ethnic groups delineating the cultural patterns of the country.
I was born in Germany, same city where Mama was born in Dresden, and lived for I think for 6 months, but I guess that wasn't much of experience being a baby and remaining in the cradle. And I think all the experiences I've had, my whole entire growing up has taken place in India. So I think I feel more Indian than German. It's basically, if I'm going there for a holiday, there's nothing much. Either I stay at my grandmother's place, or one just uses the facilities. Either you go to watch a movie, or you go for shopping. So I think that way India is equally good. There's nothing lacking here. I mean, I always believe that there's nothing less in India. I prefer to live in India any day.
The second generation doesn't have any kind of hesitation to adjust with either society.
When I go to Germany, and I've worked in Germany, I converse in German. So for them it's a surprise that a person with an Indian name can speak German, or a person from India can speak in the German language. But the name, yeah, I mean, okay, the name gives me away that I'm Indian, but that is no problem whatsoever.
जहाँ पर लड़की ने पसंद कर लिया वहीं शादी कर लेंगे. शादी का कोई there is no hang-ups. Like it could be anywhere in fact. Not relating to Germany or India. It could be anywhere in the world.
Diffusion. Thus supply weft to the fundamental warp of the culture fabric. The degree of assimilation or synthesis further depends upon the degree of contrast between the existing pattern and the alien complex.